What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. I'm gonna go check out the Walmart and see what they have on clearance. Maybe you can find some stuff to flip on the internet or locally, or let's just go see what we can find. All right, so I just pulled up to Walmart. Let's go see what we can find. Here we are at my first Walmart. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the other ones. If I have enough time, I'll go. We'll see. Let's go see if we can find some clearance stuff. I heard there were some clearance video games, so let's go get it. All right, so I just found this He-Man. I don't know if Walmart has scanners or what, but this guy's going for heck $80 on eBay. All right, so now I'm here at the clearance section. I'm gonna give you a quick scope, and I'm gonna see what I can find. But this He-Man thing that I just picked up, $30 here, about $70 on eBay, so 70, $80. Good pickup. So another score, guys. These are $5 here at my local Walmart. They're going for about $20 a piece. So I just got all these in the shopping cart. Let me keep looking. Here's another section full of clearance. I just picked up those halos, and this one's a regular price. So I'm gonna go. There's another section and another section. I'm gonna go through this and see if there's anything here. Alright, so the rest of the stuff was a bust. I'm gonna go ahead and take what I picked up, which was the He-Man stuff and the Halo figures, and head on out. Alright, so I just got out of Walmart back here in my car. Let me show you real quick what I picked up again. This He-Man thing sells for about 70, $80. And I got all the Halo figures for $5 a piece. If I sell this, they'll pay for all that, and basically all the Halo figures will be free. I spent $66 about a hand sanitizer, so that really doesn't count, but the total was about $63, $64. And if I sell this one guy, I'll make that money back, and all that will be profit. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I'll catch you guys next time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It will help me a lot. And the ones that have already subscribed, I appreciate you guys watching. Alright guys, driving home from Walmart, my neighbors have put out some TVs, so I'm going to pick them up. These are it, guys. Let's see what I can pick up if they're not too heavy. I'll probably pick up that little one and that little radio.